Is this a hard break from the Obama administration's pivot to Asia, Michael, or is there something that is showing continuity here?
Well, I think the current administration is understaffed, as you said, not just the State Department, but really across the board, the U.S. Trade Representative's Office, Treasury, Commerce, and as a result, they may have been a bit slower off the start to come up with their new strategy for the region. I think the withdrawal from the Trans-Pacific Partnership, which was, I think, one of the key pillars of the Obama administration's strategy towards Asia, is seen as a pretty significant break. It's seen as part of a larger pattern of pulling out of Paris, of questioning other international agreements, of a general retreat from the region in terms of leadership. And that's really what our allies and partners and competitors in the region want to hear and see from the president. Is this a retreat from the region, or if not, what's the alternative approach?
And when you say questioning international trade agreements, of course, next on the chopping block after NAFTA could be the Chorus FTA. How wise is it for President Trump to put the Korea-U.S. FTA on the chopping block when you have tensions with North Korea?
Well, it is. The timing is peculiar and certainly makes life more difficult for our South Korean allies at a time when they're facing quite serious threats from the North. You know, if there are particular issues that are of concern in the trading relationship, and there always are, there are mechanisms for dealing with that. And I think Ambassador Lighthizer and the administration are trying to find ways of addressing outstanding issues so that we can continue to build on that relationship. I think what is difficult is the administration has made clear that it views bilateral trade balances as the metric of whether a trading relationship is working or not. If we have a deficit, we're losing. If we have a surplus, we're winning. And most economists will tell you that doesn't make a lot of sense, and there are a lot of other issues that go into trade balances, like our investment and savings rates that are completely separate from trade policy.